Hey everybody, my name is Craig with Total Tesla. Good friends at TesStudio sent me out this Tesla Cybertruck inspired coil USB plug, and it's nicely packed. It actually has the USB-C on both ends, and that is even inspired by the Cybertruck. So it's really nicely built, and it also has the Lightning cable 2 adapter, USB-C to Lightning. So if you have an Apple product that you want to use, you have that capability as well. And there's also some magnets. If you're wanting to run the cable, depending on where you're going to plug it in at, you can actually have it aligned with some magnets, and so then you don't have cable all over the place. In my case, I'm in the back seat of my Tesla Model Y Juniper, and what I'll do is demonstrate. Really nice packaging, and basically it's really long too, so it stretches, feels really good, very durable. Yeah, it's really nice. Let's take a look and I'll show you how to plug it in. And you probably know how to do that, but I'll demonstrate the products that I'm going to use, and we'll take a look. You just plug it right in. Let's take a look. Right here. And it's up to 100 watts of power. And then I have my laptop right here. It's going to plug in USB-C. So I got the laptop plugged in, and just so you know, it is powering the device. Now it is a lower speed, so it's charging slow. I don't know if you can see that, but it is charging. So if you're on the go, need to plug in a device, maybe you want to plug in your phone, let's plug that in real quick. So now I'm plugged in, and now I'm getting power on my cell phone. So don't forget, use Total Tesla and get 40% off of your entire order. It's higher than the discount that you'll get from the website. So if you're looking for products from the holiday season, if you're looking for a birthday gift, this is something valuable. If you're a Tesla owner and you want to have something that's inspired by Tesla, this is it. Check out TesStudio. Use my discount code Total Tesla and get 40% off. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Take care.